Hello, my name is Raquel Victor. I'm with Rutherford County Extension in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. And today I'm going to be making healthy fruit pizza minis. During this time, kids are always looking for things to do. I'm looking for things to do. I love to be in the kitchen. So I thought I would teach you how to make these healthy fruit mini pizzas, getting the kids busy and staying them active. This is great for anybody of any age, but especially the kids. So first thing we're gonna do is we are going to have tortillas. You can use any tortillas you want. You can use flour tortillas. You can use a wheat tortilla. I found I like the flour ones the best. Some of the ingredients that you will need today is you will need some type of yogurt. You can use plain yogurt or a flavored yogurt. You also need orange juice, any type of orange juice you want. It could be low pulp, high pulp, whatever works best for you, orange juice. You will also need honey, gives a little bit of sweetness. You'll also need vanilla. Okay, some of the other items you'll need a small bowl, some measuring spoons, you'll need a whisk, and a little bit of a spoon or a spatula type item to help you out. Also what's handy is a mason jar lid or just any type of jar you have, and we'll talk about that, the use of that here in just a minute. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our tortilla, and I used a mason jar lid. Again, you can use a glass, a cup, anything you want to. We're just trying to cut out some circle shapes. So what I've done is I've taken this lid and you just take it, put it on the tortilla, push down and just twist it. And what happens after that is you'll get these circles, okay? Cute little circles, they're fun size for kids. These are great. Again, if you want to use the whole tortilla, you can, but I like the small shapes. Makes it a little bit easier to use. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna take our bowl and we're gonna add a half cup of yogurt. Again, this is just to give it a little bit of, this is kind of like your pizza sauce. I use strawberry yogurt today. You can use plain, you can use peach, vanilla, really any flavor you want. You can also use a Greek yogurt if you're trying to save on some calories. So lots of different things that you can use. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that yogurt right here in our bowl. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a teaspoon of honey. Again, honey just gives it a really nice sweetness to it. And you can get fresh local honey at our farmer's market. So we're gonna get that in there, drizzle that in. Again, something fun for the kids to do. All right, so we'll get that teaspoon of honey there. We're also going to add some vanilla extract, and it'll be a half teaspoon of that. Again, vanilla extract just gives it a little bit of sweetness. Especially if you've got Greek yogurt, you want to sweeten that up a little bit. Okay, so there's that vanilla extract. Also going to use 3/4 tablespoon of orange juice. And again, you can use any kind of orange juice, low pulp, low acid, whatever works best for you. All right, let's get that lid on there. We're gonna take a whisk and just kind of mix this together. And again, if you get a little messy, that's fine. I love cooking. So I always tell kids in my cooking class, don't worry if you get a little bit on the counter, it's not perfect. Cooking isn't perfect, that's the whole fun of it. All right, so we're gonna whisk that together. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this yogurt mixture, and it kind of looks like this. Okay? And again, the one thing I wanna mention, the orange juice kind of makes it a little bit thinner because yogurt can be very thick. We want it to be spread real easy. So we're gonna take that mixture, we're gonna put it right on top here. Again, this is your pizza sauce. Okay? And again, you can usually, out of a tortilla, a large tortilla, you can get about 4 or 5 of these little pizzas out of there. Okay? The next thing we're gonna do is I've got fruit. Now, summer's a great time for strawberries. Found these at our local farmer's market here at our office, our Rutherford County Extension office. Again, a great time for strawberries. A couple of fun things about strawberries is this little green part on top is called the crown. You always want to remove that when you are cutting your strawberries. So what I'm going to do is you can twist it or pull it. You never really want to cut the whole crown off your strawberry. It wastes strawberry. So I usually tell folks, go ahead and just twist or pull that off. Next thing you want to do is this white part right here. We want to get rid of that. Again, you're going to hold your knife, and I use the claw method to hold my strawberry in place. And I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that little white on the end there, okay? Very little waste when you just pull off the crown and just cut out that little white part, okay? The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna quarter this strawberry. Again, you can do slices, whatever works for you. I found that quarters seem to lay best on the tortilla. So I'm gonna cut it in half, half the halves, and half those halves again. Okay, so you've got some quarters here. You're just gonna lay those right on your tortilla. And you can even cut them a little bit smaller if you'd like. I'm gonna make 2 eyes there with these. So far, as you can see, I've got 2 eyes. The next thing I'm going to use is blueberries. Blueberries are fantastic for you, full of antioxidants, and they're a great summer snack. You can pop them in the freezer and eat them, or just eat them fresh, but I absolutely love blueberries. You can use one of those as the nose if you'd like. Again, you can use these for the eyes. The last fruit I'm gonna use are mandarin oranges. And mandarin oranges are great because not only are they good for you, it's shaped like a smile. So I put that on there. And there's your mini fruit pizza. You've got your eyes, your nose, and your smile. Again, you can use any fruit you want, whatever is in season or whatever you have at home. Make it really fun. Different faces, different shapes of the fruit. Just you want to have the ideas of the kids to have a really great time with this. Again, these are the healthy fruit pizza minis. So you can find all this recipe ideas and more at our website at rutherford.tennessee.edu. I hope you have a fantastic day, and we'll see you next time.